The 2017 Mazda CX-5 has a well-documented infotainment system problem where the screen constantly restarts, crashes, or freezes, creating a frustrating user experience. This issue affects both navigation-equipped and non-navigation models of the 2017 CX-5, making it a widespread problem across the entire model year. The Mazda Connect system runs on a Linux-based platform with an ARM processor, limited RAM of only 1 to 2 gigabytes, and uses an internal SD card for storage. The system integrates with the vehicle's CAN bus network, which connects various electronic control units throughout the car, creating dependencies that can affect system stability. The primary causes of the reboot loop include SD card corruption, firmware bugs, memory overload, temperature sensitivity, and power supply fluctuations during engine start and stop cycles. Mazda has released multiple software updates through 2025 to address these issues, and various third-party solutions have also emerged to help affected owners resolve the problem. Multiple proven methods can fix the 2017 Mazda CX-5 infotainment reboot loop. We'll explore software solutions first, then hardware options, along with their success rates and costs. The first approach involves software fixes. Start by updating to the latest firmware version 70.0.367A or newer. This resolves many underlying software conflicts, causing the reboot loop. If firmware updates don't work, try a master reset. Hold the NAV, Mute, and back buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds or more. This clears system caches and restores factory settings. When software fixes fail, hardware replacement becomes necessary. The most effective solution is SD card replacement, which addresses the root cause of most reboot loops. For complete system upgrade, aftermarket head unit replacement offers modern features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. While more expensive, it provides the highest success rate and enhanced functionality. Here's a comparison of success rates for each method. Software updates work for most cases, but hardware solutions provide the highest reliability. To prevent future reboot loops, follow these maintenance tips. Install software updates promptly, manage temperature exposure, ensure clean electrical power, and limit connected USB devices to reduce system load.